Tuna, yes daddy, what is the difference between email and Gmail? Email is when you use electricity to send a mail.
Funke!
And Gmail is when you use generator to send a mail.
Oh my God!
Tuna, yes daddy, do you understand animal kingdom? Yes, I understand animal kingdom. If a goat is a herbivorous animal, and a lion is a carnivorous animal, what are women called? Women are omnivorous animals.
What?
Because they love money a lot.
Oh my God! You will move out of this house.
Tuna, yes daddy, are you the one that ate the fish I kept on the table? No, I did not eat it. Who ate it then? I don't know, cause I spread some rat poison on it.
Oh my God!
Tuna, yes daddy, can you define force? I can define force. Okay, go ahead. Force is an interaction between two physical bodies. Wow, that's good. Give me an example of a force. American police force.
What? You know you can be prosecuted for that!
Tuna, yes daddy, why do women live longer than men? Because women don't have a wife.
What?
Will you keep quiet?
Shem, mommy, how did your exam go? My exam was so fantastic. Wow, that's nice. Tell me more. The questions did not give me trouble at all. It was only the answer.
Jesus!
Shem, ma, if you will charge me money to answer my questions, how much will you charge me? $200. So what is the second question?
What?
Mommy, yes? Am I handsome? Ask your girlfriend. But I don't have a girlfriend. Then you have your answer. Mommy, yes, Shem. My teacher said I should be writing more clearly. That is very good. It's not good though. She will know that I don't know how to spell. Mommy, yes, Shem. Yesterday I saw an handsome boy. Then what happened? Mommy, I just kept looking at him and admiring how handsome he was till I left the front of the mirror. Mommy, yes, Shem. When can I visit the zoo? Anytime you want, you can visit your people. Mommy, yes, Shem. This form that I'm filling, what should I write in mother's tongue? Well, you can say mother tongue is... Oh, don't worry. I know what to write. What did you write? Very long.
Funke!
Shem! Ma? What is wrong with you? Nothing, ma. Why are you shaking? Oh, they said we should shake before using the medicine. Shem! Ma, I found Aladdin's lamp today. Really? I told him to increase your brain power times 10. Did he do it? He laughed and said multiplication does not work with 0.
Oh my God!
Shem, ma, you know I love you so much. Mommy, I am not accepting your friend request on Facebook.